Namaste from India. Welcome
to our project on Sustainable Development Goal number 4, Quality Education.
We're focusing on an important area in this project, improving and providing quality education for special needs students in India.
In India, students with special needs often face significant barriers to receiving quality education. Limited resources, inadequate training for educators, and a lack of tailored learning materials can hinder their academic and personal growth. But we have the perfect solution for that.
Our sample app,
Academia Assist,
designed specifically to address these challenges and
enhance the educational experience of students with special needs.
First, the sample app possesses 3 login portals catering to students, educators, and parents. The app will include a crowdfunding feature allowing supporters to contribute to special education initiatives, ensuring that schools and educators have access to the resources and tools that they need.
As far as the content which will be provided to the child via the platform, I believe must be very customized and flexible.
We offer live one-on-one sessions with experienced educators, addressing to the individual learning needs and offering tailored support to students. The app integrates gamified and interactive learning approaches and makes use of vibrant and bright colors, making it more interesting for special needs students to use.
There must be a regular feedback of the child's performance between the tutor and the parent regularly.
The teletherapy feature allows counselors and other experts to track behavioral changes in students and update the parents regularly.
the app includes a resource page containing a variety of content, PPTs and documents pertaining to the NIOS curriculum of the Ministry of Education of India. This is uploaded and made by teachers and can be utilized by all. Moreover, some of the content is also pre-downloaded so that it can be accessed offline in case of internet inaccessibility as in rural areas.
The app will include text-to-speech and voice-enabled features which will help students with visual disabilities use the app with ease.
There are different kinds of tests for career options, right? So we can have something like that so that we can identify the strength and the skill the child is having and the interest. And there is
In the app, there will be a questionnaire for the child's guardian to fill in. This will be used to assess the child's behavioral needs and patterns and will be used by teachers and instructors to further individualize each child's learning.
The app can be further worked upon to cater to students from the elementary, junior and middle schools where teachers will help them master basic academic concepts which are usually taught at their level.
Now we have some innovative and interesting solutions that can be included into the app in the future.
Virtual reality holds immense potential in revolutionizing special needs education by providing a highly adaptive, immersive, and customizable learning experience tailored to the specific cognitive abilities and learning styles of students. VR helps reduce distractions that are often present in traditional classrooms. Moreover, VR also helps socially and sensory challenged students to practice essential life skills in a controlled and safe space. VR provides therapeutic environments that help manage stress and anxiety, thereby relieving the academic pressure of students in special needs.
According to studies conducted by Brian Castelletti, a director at the NSF expedition on socially assistive robotics at Yale University, USA, younger children have lower attention spans when it comes to learning from digital media. However, the presence of a digital companion such as a robot can help them have a more interactive experience, and hence this can be integrated in our app in the future.
Together we can make a difference
And help every child
Reach their full potential.